Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a Coinbase debit card. First, check availability and confirm that the Coinbase card is offered in your country. Then sign up or log into your Coinbase account if you don't have one. Next, verify your identity by completing KYC with your ID photo, selfie, and any region-specific information. After that, open the card section in the Coinbase app or on the website, go to Card, and choose Apply or Get Card. Now fill in your details and accept the terms by confirming your address and accepting the card terms. Then get an immediate virtual card. If approved, you can often use a virtual card right away inside the app. Next, order a physical card and request the physical card to be mailed to you if you want it. After that, activate your physical card when it arrives. You can activate it in the app and set a PIN here. Choose your funding source by linking your Coinbase balance or specific crypto or fiat as the payment source. Purchases convert crypto to fiat at checkout. Then review limits and fees, check ATM limits, conversion fees, and reward details in the app. Finally, use it safely, monitor transactions, enable card controls, and report lost or stolen cards immediately. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.